These connections were added drilling a hole either with a hole saw or a drill, melting the opening and screwing them in. Fill line, exhaust for airflow, drain, water to the sink. Had to melt this sucker to get it to fit. It was an inch too big. Now time to raise it up, prop it with those woods, screw it up with the brackets. Wish me luck. Ready? Yeah, big tube coming up. Don't pull it too hard. Yep. Little tube coming up. Yep. Yep. Okay. Do that. Almost. I need like something. Push it from that side so it goes up. Yeah. Sit it down for a minute. Whew. Coming out it the other way. Ready? Yeah. Still working on this water tank. It was an inch too long and I'm just trying to put her in here. I hate crawling under there. I have like all sorts of nastiness in my hair. I have to take a shower after this, but I'm almost done. I have one half of the last bracket to go. Okay, so I think I finished. Just feels sick being under here and like torquing your body in weird ways. So, screwed that up there. I just finished this one. Now I gotta connect everything. This side's a little low. I'm gonna try and just push it up there a little bit because, as I said, it didn't fit quite right. I'm just taking a break. It's just so much torquing of your body in a small space. Like, look how close my nose is to that. Like, I can't even shuffle and it's hard to maneuver the drill. I recommend to get someone to do this for you. If you're thinking about it, it's not worth the trouble. I've been dealing with this for probably a year now, trying to get this all sorted out. Had the custom new water tank for a while now. Just, if you don't know what you're doing with plumbing stuff, then leave it to the professionals, I think. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Leaking already?
Yeah.
Where?
It's from the nozzle piece. Like
The minor leaks were fixed with
the
a
connection part.
sealant and everything was working well. I might switch it to a battery operated pump, as the hand pump is a little more tedious and difficult to use once you get the water flowing.
Yeah.
But overall, it was a success.
Going into the tank?
Yeah.